Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be unboxing the limited edition Boxy Charm skincare box. So Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription box that is $21.99 a month. And for May they actually did a limited edition skincare box which was $49.99. And so it did sell out within a few days. So I'm guessing they will probably do this again since it was such a good demand for it. But if you would like to check out Boxy Charm so that you could be eligible for these limited edition boxes, I will leave a link down below so that you can check out Boxy Charm. And you will see in one of my upcoming videos the May unboxing of the Boxy Charm box. So with the skincare box, a lot of the pretty much all the products you know about and you saw them. There's only one variation, and so we'll unbox and see what's in this box. So let's cut it open. So this size box is very similar to like the Boxy Luxe size box, so kind of gives you an idea for the products that are in there. So inside it has, let's see, it looks like this, and then it has the Boxy Limited. So they always have a pamphlet that gives you the prices of all the products. So we will add up all the prices of the products and I will let you know how much it is. So now we will get into the box and see everything that we get. So the first thing is this Varsali Jelly Beam highlighter. So it's like that jelly highlighter that is all rave. I have it in the Makeup Revolution. So I will do a video where I compare them, or in a video where I'm trying on stuff and compare the two to see which one's actually better. If I can open this. So I have rose goals. So this might actually work out. So let's see what shade I have in the Makeup Revolution. So in the Makeup Revolution one, I have more like a yellowy, so we'll just see how work compares whenever I do a video. So here's the Varsali stuff. You can see it moving around in the back, so that's really cool. Let's open it up, and you can see it's like a jelly look to it. Tiny bit in. Let's see. That is so pretty. I will definitely use this a lot. So that's the one item that is in the box that when I first thought, I was like, that's not skincare. But you can never have too many highlighters. I love highlighters. So let's keep going. So the Jelly Beam highlighter is $40. So we will keep adding up. And once we get to the end, I will let you know. So next up is the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. Looks like this. It's got this cool little pump. And this is $45. Then we have Saturday Skin Refining Peel Gel. Looks like. So it just looks like this. Says just use it to cleanse and then you pat dry. So rub. So you just rub it in. It's like a cleanser, any type of cleanser. So this one is $28. We're already up to 113, and the box was only $49.99. Okay. Next up is, I think there's two of these. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. I love jelly masks. They're so nice, so I'm sure I will love these. So two of them together is $16. Next up is the Caudalie Eau de Raisin Grape Water. So it's grape water spray. Soothes and moisturizes. If it smells good. Smells pretty good. So this one is $10. Next up we have the Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil. So, ooh, it's really weird packaging. This is like rubbery down here and this is like smooth up here. So you just apply the cleansing oil and massage into wet or dry face for 30 seconds or until makeup is removed. So use this to take off your makeup. So this one is $32. Next up is the Glam Glow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment. So it looks like this. So Glam Glow is like a really higher end skincare product company. So I know they have sell it at Sephora. And I've never tried them before. So I'm curious how good they actually are. So it has this little pumper thing. And this is... you just apply to clean, dry face, morning and or night, and follow with the moisturizer after. So we'll see how this works. And this one is $65. And last but not least is what I'm super excited for. So if you saw my skincare routine video, you know that my jade roller broke, so I'm super happy to have a new jade roller, and hopefully this one doesn't break on me. So this I just use to roll face after I put moisturizer on, and it's really nice. I use both sides and I use it along with my little jade eye tools. So this one is, so this is Cosmetics brand, and this is $32. So that brings everything that's in this box up to $268. So that is a great deal for a box that only costs $50 essentially. So in case you like everything that you saw here, make sure you join Boxy Charm and get the subscription box, because I'm sure they will do more skincare boxes in the future. And if not, a lot of these products tend to show up in the regular Boxy Charm box. They do sheet masks all the time. They do all these skincare stuff within the Boxy Charm boxes. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and click the bell right down below so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And if you haven't checked out my Instagram, check it out. It's m.hartman5. And thank you all for watching my video. Bye.